There's a new River Thames in Richmond. It's amazing, like the whole the whole road has turned into a complete river. Burst water main. Everyone's standing watching because probably the most exciting thing to happen all day, isn't it? Yep, it is. Yep, total floods. The pathway's coming up and everything. Look.
Probably better off going on the other side of the
Oh, is it worse that side?
Yeah, it's better on that side.
Right.
That's alright.
Oh, hello. Gonna be some wet feet today. Oh. Yep, there we go, crossing over. The feet are wet.